Alright guys, for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to generate a custom WhatsApp link and messages for yourself or for your business. A custom WhatsApp link and messages for yourself or for your business. Nowadays, where you want to give someone a link or a customer a link that will come out. You want to give them a link that will come out or have a message on their WhatsApp to you. So where you tell them I'm interested, and when they send that message, you will receive it as I'm interested or their name with I'm interested. So I'm going to show you what that means now. So it's very simple, and this tool is very free. So let me go ahead, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for where I always release updates or information tutorial about web development, data marketing, and secret websites you need to know. So let's go ahead. The website we are going to be using is called infyurl.site. infyurl.site. I'll be putting the link on the video description below, so you can check it up. It's a free platform that allows you to do a lot of things for yourself, and it's to make things easier for you, whether as a developer, content creator, or business owner. Right, so let's dive into today's tutorial. Now, today's tutorial, what I want to show you is the WhatsApp link generator. WhatsApp link generator. It's shortening your WhatsApp link generator. So what you need to do is go to tools, or if you don't go to tools, scroll down where you will see generator. Generator. So generator 2. So from there you see a lot of tools you can use there, like signature generator, mail to link generator, WhatsApp generator. So what our today's own is to use the WhatsApp link generator. So WhatsApp link generator, this is it. So it's very simple. You just need to put in your phone number. Let me put my phone number. Then pre-filled message. So what that means is that which message do you want them to see that is pre-filled automatically when they click on your link. So let me write interested in your services. I'm interested in your services. So immediately you type that, very simple, just copy this link and send it to whoever you want to send it to. Now that's for one. And the another thing you need to do, because this link is very long, it's very long. So what you need to do is to shorten the link over here. Click on link shortening, then paste your link and generate. So automatically it has generated this for us. It has shortened this for us, you can see. So click on copy and let's open it. So this is the shortening, so let's open it. So you can see if it's on mobile, it will quickly come up on mobile for the user to chat you up with the preferred messages. So it's very simple and short. Very simple and short. So if you want to, whatever thing you still want to do with the link shortening, like you want to look at people that target it, people that click on your link, the analysis, and or you can come here and check everything. You can see we really have one preview. That means one person click on it on our link. So one person click on our link. It's very simple and short and also free. So before I go, if this video is very helpful for you, kindly subscribe to my channel so you can get notified whenever I upload new video for you guys. See you in the next video.